There was a village nestled between two valleys where time seemed to pause. In this village stood an old wooden gate, weather-worn, crooked, and oddly out of place. It didn't mark the entrance to anything. No fence surrounded it, no walls connected it. Just a gate standing alone in a field. To the villagers, it was a mystery. Children played around it. Farmers walked past it, but no one ever closed it, because strangely it was always open and had always been, except for one man. His name was Idris. Idris was a quiet soul, known for being cautious and withdrawn. Life hadn't been kind to him. After losing both his parents as a teenager, he shut himself off from others. He believed the world was full of doors that would shut in your face if you dared to dream. Every day, Idris walked past the lonely gate, wondering what it was for. What's the point of a gate with no fence? He once asked an elder. The old man simply smiled. Some gates aren't meant to block. They are meant to invite. Idris didn't understand then. Not yet. Years passed. Idris grew older, stuck in routines and regrets. He had ideas, ambitions, even loved ones, but he let them slip away, afraid to take chances. He often thought about starting over, building something of his own, going beyond the village. But every time, the same thought stopped him. What if it doesn't work out? One evening, after a long walk, Idris found himself standing before the gate again. The setting sun painted it in gold, and for the first time he noticed something. Worn footprints on the path beyond it. Faint, but definitely there. People had walked through it, many. That night he couldn't sleep. The image of the open gate kept pulling at him. It was as if it whispered, "You are the one who closed yourself in, not the world." The next morning, before the village awoke, Idris packed a small bag. He didn't tell anyone. He simply walked to the gate, took a deep breath, and stepped through. What he found beyond wasn't magic or treasure. It was challenge, struggle, growth, but also purpose. He learned new skills, met new people, failed a few times, but kept going. And slowly he became someone new. Not because the world changed, but because he finally walked through what was always open. Years later, Idris returned to the village. He was different, calm, confident, alive. And when young people asked where he had been, he pointed to the old gate and said, "It was never locked. I just thought it was." The message behind the story. Sometimes the greatest obstacles are the ones we imagine. The fear of rejection, of failure, of not being enough. They are the locks we place on open doors. But the truth, the gate was never closed. It was waiting for you to walk through.